Hey, Aprentistas. Hey, sorry for the late video. I've been really sick with a cold or a flu this week, and I've just been laid out flat. But I wanted to give you a quick little update on how everything's going for the semester. You should notice I'm on week 17. I'll put the overview up here um, very quickly. We've got one more reading about Malinche in Latinx culture, and Malinche is a very interesting character. She's considered to be like the mother of Mexican culture because she's the mother of the first mestizo. Um, anyway, you've got a poem to read about that, and Malinche is a really complicated term, I think, for a lot of Latinx people and a lot of people who are from Mexico. Um, so I think it's worth talking about. Now, you will notice other things going on here too. I've got a little video about the story of Malinche. Hopefully, you've already posted for it. I'm sorry I didn't get to it earlier. If you're turning in some things late this week, I'm okay with that. I just want us to finish strong. Um, There is a Success Center requirement that's due on Friday. I know they've been kind of packed. If you've been trying to get in but you can't, text me, email me. We'll try to work something out. You've got two comments on two different posts on discussion 17. Tuesday, the 13th, I've put for the final day for your research argument essay. Um, if you want to get it in early, you can do that. The submission point should be up, and I'll turn it in for that. Here's that video I told you about. Here's the poem. Here's some peer critiques and peer critique instructions for the research argument essay. The peer critique is going to be optional at this point. I know people are very busy, and I've talked to a few of you already that are on the hustle and feeling the pressure a little bit. So while I think the peer critique is very valuable, I don't want people to stress about it more. I'd be happy to look at your rough drafts too if you want to send them over to me and talk about it. And again, it says December 11th here, but I will change that date to the 13th as well. Um, that's it. We do have a final exam, but a final exam is just going to be next week. You're going to give me your feedback about the course, what you liked about it, and what can be improved about it, because I always want things to be a little bit better than they were the last time. I'm always trying to sharpen my blade, and get it even keener. Um, and I certainly need your input for that. Now, I will put up another video when we come next week. When we come to next week, what I do want you to keep in mind is that if you've missed any work at all, feel free to make it up. Everything should still be open. Hit the big assignments first. That would include if you're missing any essays. Get me those first. If you want to show me a rough draft, that's fine. Give me something to look at. I want everybody to pass this course. I want everybody to be with us when we move into 1B coming in spring. You guys have been a great group, and I know that it hasn't been easy doing it all online. But I'm really looking forward to spring, being in the classroom at least half the time, and we got a bunch of cool activities planned out for then too. Now I need to remind you, there is a survey that the Puente Central office in Berkeley has us that has the students fill out. So please, please, please fill that out. Lizette sent you an email. I sent you the link on Remind. It's going to take 5 to 10 minutes. You can win $100 Amazon card. We're also going to be raffling off some Starbucks cards for it too. And again, it's just feedback for the program. We want to make it better and better every single time, and we really do need your input for that, because Puente wouldn't be here without all of you. Anyway, please feel free to reach out to me about anything going on this semester, anything you still need to get done, any questions you might have. I hope to talk to all of you soon. Take care.